Okay po, Miss Lilac. So, susunod natin is yan, abdominals tayo and triceps ulit. So, you're gonna be needing your mat, tapos Swiss ball. Ito pa, Swiss ball, tapos ball pass tayo. Pakita natin mamaya for your abdominals. Tapos, gagamit tayo ng bench sa tabi para sa dips. So, for this one, 10 and 10 lang yung gagawin natin. 10 reps for this, and then 10 for the dips later. Bodyweight dips. So, pakita natin. Higa tayo. So, hands. Kunin natin yung Swiss ball. And then, extend overhead. Up. Return. So, that's one. Right? Up. And 2. Alright. So, 10 repetitions. And make sure engage yung core. Exhale pag lift. And then, that's it. So, working your core, quads, arms. Alright po. Next natin, a quick breather after 10 repetitions of that. Switch tayo sa dips. Okay. Ito natin. Dips tayo using yung bench. So, hands dito sa edge. Overhand grip. Hawak. Tapos, distance natin. Yan. Nakaupo pa tayo sa udulo. Tapos, diretso yung paa. And then, slide down. Slide bend sa knees. Tapos, bend yung elbow. Inhale, inhale, inhale. Lowest na pinakakaya. And then, exhale, push. Again. Inhale, slow, slow. Elbows back. And up. And then, check yung butt. Yung likod. Malapit sa bench. Hindi lumalayo. And push. Hindi tayo gaganon po, ha? Keep it close para ma-work natin yung triceps and the shoulders. Good benefits nito pa para sa triceps and shoulder mobility natin. Also, ayun, kaya short yung rest natin again, Miss Lilac, para ma-maintain natin yung mataas na heart rate. Again, 10 repetitions with the ball pass and then 10 with this dips. So push. Again, pwedeng nakataas yung toes. Ayan, para mas mobile yung paa natin. Pwedeng ganyan, pero yun, baka masakit sa sapatos pa. Alright, so up, sukat, slide down, inhale, and push. Slow, 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 quick. Alright.